You've not had lemon bundt cake until you've made this one with a cake mix. Super lemony, super moist, and so good. Are you ready? Let's go. So I wanted to make this cake that I saw on TikTok by a creator named Sam Adler. I'm going to go ahead and try to tag her in this video. She calls it Quick Lemon Pudding Bundt Cake. And she is a chef, but she knows that sometimes we need shortcuts because we're in a hurry. And today is one of those days for me. Using this lemon cake mix and lemon pie filling. The recipe says you need a 10-cup bundt pan. This is the one I have, and I'm going to go ahead and use this because it already has flour in it. I'm going to use this to prepare it. So get your lemon cake mix and put it into a bowl. And then also add your lemon pudding mix. Before you add any liquid whatsoever, the recipe says that you need to get these two things mixed up together. Add in half a cup of water, half a cup of fresh lemon juice. I don't have fresh, so I'm going to add this. 4 large eggs. Her recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. I don't have a fresh lemon, so I'm going to use this instead. This says on the back that 1 tablespoon of paste is equal to 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. However, the recipe only calls for 1 teaspoon, so I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of this. So once you get all of those in there, she says to mix on low, medium speed for 1 minute. So I've got that all mixed up for 1 minute, and then the last thing is to add in a half a cup of oil and mix again. I'm using vegetable oil. Like that. And then I'm gonna put it into the pan. All right, I'm just gonna shake that about a little bit, get it all evened up. I'm just gonna go put this in the oven. Sorry about my dogs. This is life, this is my life. So let me go put this in the oven over here. I put it in there at 350 for 35 minutes. So there's an optional glaze, and I opt to use that, so I'm gonna make it. You need a half a cup of confectioner sugar, powdered sugar, whatever you wanna call it. You need a half cup of it. 1 tablespoon of cream. You also need a half a teaspoon of lemon zest. I don't have a lemon, so I'm going to use this product right here. Half a teaspoon. And then I'll mix that all up. Mine just came out in a big ball, so I'm gonna add some more cream. I'm gonna add more cream. Because her instructions say you're supposed to drizzle this over a cooled cake. And I want it to be able to drizzle. That looks more like a drizzle. Now it will drizzle. There it is. And I'll set it aside and wait for the cake to cool. Mine was in there 35 minutes, and I'm gonna test it with a toothpick. Yep, it's done, and now it has to cool. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. She says to cool for 10 minutes, then flip over onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Can't wait. Okay, time to turn it out of the pan. Whatever works. There it is. And now it has to cool. That is so pretty. Look at the steam coming off of that. Wow. There it is. Look how pretty that is. Smells really, really good. Super moist. Oh my goodness. That is so good. It's so moist. and that glaze is not overpowering. The star of this show is the lemon. It's the lemon cake itself. Do yourselves a favor. Thank you, Sam Adler. Thank you for this recipe. Y'all, you need to make that. Yum! As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description.